Hi everybody, hello and welcome to this little flip through of my altered little golden book, the Bob Ross one. We completed this a little while ago, but I've enjoyed keeping hold of it just for a little while. We've kept the original covers back and front. That is the original tape. Mr. F made the spine and he used the tape that you can get from the Little Golden Book Company to cover the spine. Right, so inside, what have we got? Well, it's the introduction. And as you turn over, there's baby Bob with his puppy. He is so cute, isn't he? But these are the pages that I've inserted actually into the book. So this has got dangly paintbrush and tube. This is a belly band, this colour strip. And I've gone around the outside with, what on earth do you call that stuff? Foundry wax, Tim Holtz foundry wax. So it's nice and glistening. Put a brush on there with some string through its handle. And that just slides into there. And then this is a side tuck, so we've got a journaling card, and that's got foundry wax on it as well. Don't think the camera's picking it up to its max, but it's really shiny. And I love that image, one of my favourites. The backs are all covered, ready to journal. This paper pad is sensational. So that flips out. Then we have, I've used a piece of the paper pad because it looks like a drawer. So I've used that to be a pocket, and I've put 2 journaling cards in. Look at that, it's just gorgeous. And they've got foundry wax around them as well. 2 pictures from the book. And they're backed, everything's backed. And then on this side we've got a little side tuck. We've got a red heart here and a colour sort of a swatch thing, I think. Another picture there, foundry wax around it. Don't know where to get the light right. Might see that. And that little tag is actually in the picture, but I did add to it a piece of string so it looks like it's separate. And that goes in there, and it says create art. So that folds over like that, and then we go over this way, and we've got this flip up that's got a key, one of the chipboard pieces from the set, key attached to it, so it's almost as if you need to unlock it to get in. It says breathe the art around you, and that flips up like that. And then on the back we've got another pocket with a saying and some little pieces of ephemera, pencils, paint tube, and a little thing that says enjoy art. And then in here, this is a pocket. We've got a couple of bits of ephemera all gone round with foundry wax. This pocket, this journaling card, all backed, with a little tag on it, tied on with whatever you call that stuff, twine stuff, hemp probably, and another one here with a little tag, all foundry wax around them. And that slips into that pocket. There we go. And then another book page, and they're all in the right order, so they will all read properly. Yeah, that's Bob in his bath, nursing an alligator. So here we have 2 pockets, the overlapping pockets, and they've got, it says live with love and you will create art, which is very nice. So a little tag there, and this is a photograph of one of Bob's paintings, so that's a touch of authenticity. And this one is the same. It's a tag, little picture of Bob's painting there, which, you know, I enjoyed including. I've stuck a paintbrush on there, and I've stuck this arrangement, the vase and the flowers, which I love. And over the page we've got a side pocket, but it's cut into 2, and it's this luggage. how gorgeous is that luggage? I love it. And it's 2 journaling cards, both got foundry wax around them, both backed, and another little picture of one of Bob's pieces of art, completed pieces of art. And that one's the same. And then the book continues, the narrative of the book. So this has got a safety pinned in place, safety pinned, paper clipped if you don't mind. I don't know how it works anymore. And it's an envelope, and inside we've got lots of journaling paper. 2 sheets that size of journaling paper. Just so you've got somewhere to write your thoughts or jot your notes down or draw a quick sketch. Depends what you're after. So that goes like that. That goes over that page. So that's how that page looks. And then when you turn it over, we've got this here, and this is an altered paper clip. That's right. This is an altered paper clip, but it's got journaling on the back, but I've put a pocket on the front with a paint tube, and then that pulls out a little journaling card with foundry wax around it. So that is quite the altered paper clip, I would say, and that just slides on the side like that. So it keeps that envelope in place, and it shows off the altered paper clip. So the story continues. Here we go, and this is a pocket on both sides. I've adorned the page with a couple of paintbrushes there. Excuse me. Ooh, sneezing fit. And each one's got a fairly sizable tag and a chipboard dangle hanging from it, and they're backed in lovely coffee-stained paper. So that goes in there like that, and then on the other side we've got its mate here with the same thing, big tag and a piece of ephemera hanging from it. So, and 2 brushes down there. So the story continues, and that's the end of that signature. And then you can see through to the spine where we've used more of the decorative papers. So Bob's now wearing glasses, I see. And here we are with a side tuck, big journaling card, piece of chipboard, and a picture of one of Bob's paintings on there. And they just hang out like that. Fold over, and then we've got this flip out. Now here we've got a really little narrow, I would call that a bookmark. It's got foundry wax all the way around it, so it's quite nice and shiny, and I've managed to get some on the back, I see. But that just slides into there like that. And then here we've got, yeah, it's just the flip out. So we've got some journaling here, I've stamped there, and a piece of ephemera there. And that, I really couldn't bring myself to do much to that. It's just glorious. I did stick a butterfly, and art is the essence of beauty there. But that's just a gorgeous piece of design paper. The book. Then here we've got a gorgeous pocket, actually, with an old teacup that somebody's been using to rinse the painty brushes in, which I love. And this here, foundry wax around it, and 2 brushes hanging off it. And that flips out, and we've got this section here, which is from the paper pad, but it looks like 2 drawers. And then at the top we've got this little journaling card that just slides into there. And then here we've got this big side tuck. I love that, it's gorgeous. With this journaling card, it's got to be that favourite one with the luggage on it. It's beautiful. So that folds over, and then it folds over again. And once again, I haven't decorated that because that is one of my favourite pieces in the book. I love it. It's gorgeous. So here we have a big journaling card in the back, but it's held down by the fact that on the other side are 2 envelopes. Now, if we take the pins off those and fold that back, then you can get this journaling card out, which is pretty glorious, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, my goodness. A paint tube and one of Bob's pictures there, and it just tucks into that side. Tuck there, like that. And then as we turn it over, we see that these actually come off completely, and inside them we have a journaling card. And the other one's the same. So they flip over like that, and they're held in place by these little paper clips, like that, and like that. So that's that page with the journaling card and the 2 coin envelopes. So then we have more of the book, and then we've got this one, which is the slit pockets. When I take these out, you'll see it's the page, but I've cut 2 slits into it, reinforced them and everything, but there's 2 slits there. I've added this brush pot down here, and these just go in. Actually, it's easier with slip pockets if you put the bottom one in first. So let's put the bottom one in. They've got dangles hanging off them, and then that one goes in behind it. So that's that. Does that flip out or anything? No, don't think so. Side tuck down here, 2 paint brushes and another journaling card there. And that goes in there. And that, I think, is that. Yep, that brings us to the end of the book. So there we have it. That is the Bob Ross journal. It just fits nicely within that spine. So I haven't tied anything around it. It sits nicely like that. It doesn't gape. It doesn't gape, so it's fine. And I don't want to tie anything around it, really. I want you to be able to see that cover. So thank you for watching. It is now for sale in my Etsy shop, and hopefully it goes to a nice home. Thanks for watching. Bye.